Written by a human. Welcome to the Know the Difference Minute for Wednesday, February 8th. The newest shiny objects in the tech world are any kind of artificial intelligence or AI chatbots. ChatGPT is the current darling with over 100 million users in January. Partnered with Microsoft, which is pouring in $10 billion, it caused a red alert over at Google. Why is Google, with 93% of market share for search, worried? Because Microsoft is going to bundle ChatGPT capabilities into their long-forgotten Bing search engine. Google is fast-tracking their chatbot called Bard. Eventually, it'll augment search for them. Chinese company Baidu is working on a chatbot as well. In fact, there are many, many more, but ChatGPT and Bard will get the headlines. Right now, these things aren't infallible. Bard wrote a published ad for Google which contained embarrassing errors. ChatGPT writing articles and faking quotes. This piece for you today, 100% human. For Dave Spano, I'm Danny Clayton from Annex Wealth Management. That is your Know the Difference Minute.